Kita nyo yan guys. Ang cute ni hermit crab. Oh. Actually yung shells niya na ano, that's a Milky Moon snail. Yung ginagamit niya na shells. But this one is a hermit crab. Balik lang natin siya. So collect lang tayo ng empty shells. Yan, just collect empty shells. This one is oyster shells. Yan. So isa to sa mga ano, or yan, oyster clam shells. So